G'day folks. It's just a bit of a quick update. As you can tell, I'm not dead or disappeared. I've just been very busy, and also very cold and very wet. The weather's been terrible lately and I haven't even had the motivation to come out here. Despite having heating, it's just been that cold and miserable. Even moving stuff around outside is pretty much impossible. So thankfully we've got a bit of clear weather tonight, and I'm going to do some catch-up cleaning out not only the carport and my bedroom, because I've got to do some repainting and just remodel things a bit. I'm going to keep that 38-inch LCD television and just pay Brad for it as a second-hand item. So I'm going to make room for that and use that as my computer monitor. But I'm also liquidating other old computer stuff, like that's a Pentium 3 800. I picked that up yesterday or the day before. And I've got tons of other stuff like that which I've had in spare parts division for a while and never needed. So I'm cleaning all that out. Just old computer cases and bits. Pretty much useless to everyone now. That's an old Pentium 3. It's a 500. Dead washer's still here. Found another one at the yard too. I'm going to pick that up tomorrow when I tip this out. We'll get rid of this beat up old Hulk and replace it with another one. An Electrolux time saver, same as the first one. There's the old H100. I know I haven't done a video on this one for ages, but I gave this one to Dad a while ago and he's been having a load of fun with it. Rebuilt the engine and everything. Knobby tyres on it. It's a pretty kick-ass little dirt bike now. But I'm just cleaning this off and ready for a test run. I want to shave a 3.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton head down. I'm going to give it to Brad so he can soup up one of his lawn mowers. Needs a good oiling, but she'll be alright. Can almost do taper with that. Still got a bit of work to do on it mechanically. A lot of wear and tear. Haven't run it in about 6 months, so let's see what happens. It's good. The poor motor doesn't like it. very good. So that's what I'm up to at the moment. I love this old machine.